welcome to The Lead. I am Jake Tapper, and we're going to start with a major development breaking in our Law and Justice League today. Judge Tanya Chutkan, the federal judge in the January 6th case against Donald Trump, has ruled that she will allow the special counsel, Jack Smith, to submit hundreds of pages of evidence against Donald Trump in this case. CNN's Caitlin Polance is covering the breaking details. Caitlin, do we know what's in this evidence, which the Justice Department is describing as substantial?
Well, Jake, we haven't seen it yet, and the Justice Department says there are going to be things in what they want to show the court that no one has seen yet. This would be the first time. So this would mark a really major moment, especially before the election in this case against Donald Trump. One thing, too, we know this may be about is the interactions between Donald Trump and Mike Pence, because the reason that we're talking about this is that the trial judge over this case, Tanya Chutkan, she has to figure out if there's presidential immunity while Donald Trump was in office as president, especially when he was doing things like interacting with Mike Pence. So the Justice Department was to lay that all out. And what we do know about this filing, in addition, is it's going to be hundreds of pages of long. It's going to have exhibits, evidence attached to it. And also, they're dumping out the thesaurus on how they're describing it, even though they aren't saying exactly what's in it yet. They say it's going to be comprehensive, substantial, detailed, exhaustive, extensive, thorough. So we're not getting a trial. We're not getting a final report from Special Counsel Jack Smith before the election. But Jake, we are very likely to see, as the public and through the court, this filing, this large amount of collection of evidence that investigators have done for the Special Counsel's office against Donald Trump. We are likely to see that as part of the criminal proceeding against the former president.
Understandably, Trump's legal team has been trying to stop this evidence from being submitted. Do they have any other recourse before Thursday?
Great question, Jake. From the sources I've talked to so far, there's not really a plan yet, and it's really unclear what they're able to do at this point, too. Things are largely controlled in this circumstance by Judge Tanya Chutkan at the trial level. She's moved very fast. She's demanded transparency in the case. She said, the election, don't care. This is the justice system, the court system. We are separate from politics in this proceeding. But I should be clear that there's always things that could happen in court that are unpredictable. And in this circumstance, the way this will work is the Justice Department will submit this filing under seal, so confidentially. They'll also give the judge a redacted version of the filing and say, if you want to release this to the public, you can. And then there could be a fight over that. We don't know how that will play out, but Judge Chutkan will make those decisions.
Another wild development in election 2024. Caitlin Polance, thanks so much. Let's go to the